Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dharmaya, Namo Samghaya. There was a Tibetan practitioner. His name is called Geshe Bengaluru. He was a thief and robbery, and later part of his life he became a very good practitioner, and also he became a very good spiritual leader. So he was using black stones and white stones. If he does a good thing in the daytime, then he puts a white stone in the evening, and if he does a negative actions in the daytime, then he puts one black stones in the evening. At the initial stage, he came to know that there was bunches of black stones. There were only few white stones. Then he practiced this continuously, and in his daily life, if he is about to commit any negative actions, then immediately he develops very good mindfulness and awareness that he has to put a black stone in the evening. So through that way, he has changed himself. Then after doing a long time of practice, then he realized that there were a large number of white stones. There were only few black stones. So he was completely changed. He was able to bring a transformation in his life. So if you really want to change yourself, then it would be nice, first you have to examine yourself. If you try to check yourself, then you would be able to realize that you have some kind of mistakes, you have some kind of problems in yourself. If you realize your problem, if you realize your mistakes, then there is a chance that you can rectify your problem and your mistakes. If you do not realize that you have problems, you have mistakes, then you might feel that I am a Mr. Perfect, or I am a Miss Perfect, or you might feel that you are like a Buddha. So these days, everybody wants to see the changes in the world, but they never try to change themselves. Everybody is very expert to point somebody else. He is the responsible for my mistakes, or she is the responsible for my problems, But we never try to point ourselves. We never try to change ourselves. If we try to change ourselves, then if it will affect to your family levels, then from family level to society levels, then society level to the national levels, then it will reach to the international levels. So if you really want to see the changes in the world, first it has to start from individual level. If you never try to change yourself and every time you are pointing to the somebody else, then I don't think that there will be a changes in the world, or there will be a changes around us. So therefore it would be nice if you can do this kind of practice, the practice of examining oneself, the practice of checking oneself, or practice of catching oneself. If you do this, it will not only help you to change yourself, it will definitely help to bring changes in the world. Thank you.